Hey guys, this is Atco. Well, just over in the fall, last year, I picked up a lifelike slot car set for $5. I used to have an Aurora set when I was a kid. I picked this up, thought, well, this would be fun, maybe I'll just play with that. Well, to keep this short, over the next few months, I put $500 into the thing. Got a nice track of 8 by 4 foot platform, and I've put 65 feet of track into my layout. I'm happy with it. I'm having fun with it. Now, I found that there's these slot car shows that you can go to and talk with other people that have slot cars and get some parts. So I took a look to see what was available, and I saw that Baltimore has a slot car show. So I just went to the spring one, and I thought I'd show you what I found. It's kind of cool. Here's one of the things I got, just a HO, like a gas station. It's just plastic, but it's kind of cool, and has these little things that go with it. Like, had 2 sets of these gas pumps, 2 of those. I thought they looked pretty cool. I'll put this in my platform. Got the thing for $5. Had all those little parts with it. Cool. $5. Okay, now when I looked at the show, I would say more than 50% of all the cars that were for sale were for the original HO Aurora T-Jets. That's ones that are really true HO, which has a scale of 1 to 87. The ones that came out later, like my lifelike, Atco, and the later Auroras, which were called AFX, they still call them HO, but they're a bit bigger, and they're in 1/64 scale. So since I'm all set up for the lifelike, all I wanted was all the parts that would work for their scale. And I've already bought 21 cars. One of the cars that my favorite is one that I got from my wife. It's a little red Miata. And she doesn't come out and ride too much with me on my slot car layout, but when she does, it's always that little Miata that she grabs. Well, here I found another one just like it, but it's in green. So I thought, well, that's cool. Between the 2 of us now, we can go out there ride together with these little Miatas. I got this little Miata for $10. It's all ready to go. Looks like it had brand new shoes in it. That's goodbye. Along with that, another Atco slash lifelike type of a chassis, and this is a Pontiac Trans Am. The ones that looked like Smokey and the Bandit. Remember that? This is really cool. It's black with the gold trim, and it looks like the shoes are just about brand new. I'd say it's been used, but not much used. And I got that for $8. And they have, a lot of people are just selling just the bodies. You may have just needed the particular body. You didn't have to buy a whole new chassis. And there was plenty of the bodies out there. I wanted to have something with a little VW, and I saw this was looked like it was made to be a VW bus, and I got that for only $1. I might land up painting it, not sure. Can't go wrong, but it looks in good shape. For $1, and I'll swap out one of my other cars that maybe I'm kind of tired of body for. And then also with that, this was cool. This was a set, brand new. Had a little truck with a trailer for a Goodrich car set, where like if they were going to the races. And it is a truck that will work as the chassis in it, so it will work as a slot car as well. And it had a slot car with it. All of that brand new shoes, everything, the whole set, 20 bucks. And then I think last I got was a t-shirt. Slot Life. Looks kind of cool. So I had a ball there. I probably spent an hour and a half looking at this, talked to people. And I'm going to take a little tour, 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, of what it looked like in the show. Alright, so hold on a second. Go listen to the little tour right after this. So for now though, I'll say goodbye. I'll talk to you guys later. And let me tell you what you think of the tour.
I don't recall. Right, I don't recall. And that's all, whatever you see is what we have.
But it was so small, kind of.
Right.
Like, I bought a bunch. Yeah. So it's here now.
Yep, it's year 3, and it's year 4 now.
When I was working, I used to go out there at least 200 times a year, and I make sure my trips were around there racing.
Yeah. Hell yeah. On the way back,
Quite a good turnout, huh?
Oh yeah. Worth the 5-hour drive.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? This is the new R20 Yard Good track cleaner. It's an articulated front and back. It turns, tight twisty turns. It cleans your track, your slot car track. It's got 2 cleaning heads. These are prototypes that still need to be track tested, but I'm taking orders on these and they'll be available very soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very nice.
How much are those?